Hi guys, it's Tracy and I'm back with another video. I'm trying to be consistent this time. It's summer, it's hot, I've been busy. So I haven't really been up to much. If you go to the ice cream beauty box, I talk more about what I've been up to, new boyfriend, all that good stuff. And today I have an Empties, and this is makeup slash other random kind of things that I've collected. So the first thing here is a few wipes, facial wipes. This is from Dollar Tree, hibiscus rose. I just use them to take off swatches or whatever. And then this is 365 cleansing wipes, and I think I was out one day when I needed something and I bought it to use it and take my makeup off or something. So those are the two wipes. I don't use wipes to take my makeup off anymore. I use a makeup eraser. I found recently, I'm just yeah, these are great. So that's what I've been using, is the makeup eraser. And then I have two of these. It's called Liaison, and it is an eyebrow, it says eyebrow bond, but it's you put it on your eyebrows to make them grow. And so I did use the two of them. I even marked on the sides how long each one lasts, because it says you only have it in and bring it out, and that's enough for both eyebrows. And I found that to be true, and they lasted me for about 3 months each, so that was pretty good. I got some kind of deal, if you're on Instagram or wherever, and they're like, oh, this is on sale. So I think that's how I ended up getting them, and it was a good price. So I was like, oh, let me try it. I know my eyebrows are not as big and thick as they used to be, so I tried this. They did work. I have a couple other ones now, so I'm not going to rebuy this one now because I'm working on those ones. And then this is, I don't even know where this came from. It was probably from my sister, and it's called Nail Medic Repair Nail Revolution. But I already have some stuff that I use on my nails, so probably just give that one, donate it. And then this is Nail Gel Perfect Gel Color. And I don't really polish my fingernails anymore because they chip as soon as I do them. So it's kind of like a waste. But I always have my toenails polished. Even if it's wintertime, my toenails are polished. And then I guess another nail product. This is by Orly, and I think the shade is called Tangerine. But I had two of them, and I'm not going to go through a whole one. And then we have my nail stuff that I use. I do put this on my nail. It's called Nail Aid, and I think that it's called it says 9-in-1 something something. And since I've been using this a while. I usually to have where especially my thumbnails, they would rip way down and bleed and hurt. And then my other nails, they never grow nice. They're they have ridges in them and stuff. And I started using this. I saw it at Burlington one day, and I was reading the label, and I was like, let me try. I think I'll try it. And I tried it, and I was like, oh my God. And then I was back at Burlington looking for it, and I couldn't find it. And then I saw it at Walmart. So you can get it at Walmart. I think it's about $5 a bottle, and a bottle will last you a while. You just put 2 coats on, and then I think in 3 days you add another coat, and then you take it off the next day or 2 days later or whatever. But that's what I've been putting on my nails, and it has helped them not to break and rip, so it's been great. And then I have two, I think these are Rimmel lipsticks. These are the ones that they did with Kate Moss, I think. And they kind of smelled funny. So I was like, you know what, I have so much lipstick and all that. I usually just wear, that's the one color here. I'm mostly wearing lip glosses now, and this was shade 45. I don't even know if these are still around. This one smells like it's gone old, so that's why I like the color though. And this one was shade 47. So those are done. And then let's see, oh, I finished this CoverGirl. It's called CoverGirl Exhibitionist, and it's the uncensored version. And I really like this. I like the wand that's on it because it's got like longer bristles and then shorter bristles around it. So I liked it. The CoverGirl Exhibition is like one of my top mascaras that I like. So that one I got, and I was like, oh, this is really great. I have tons of mascara though. And then the last item here is the Ardell Brow Building Fiber Gel. So a brow mascara. It's good, it's okay. I think I got it at the Dollar Tree a while ago. So I think when I went to go open it, it was dried out. Yeah, so I had it in my makeup bin for so long. So those are the empties for the makeup kind of slash whatever you want to call it. That's the first of the empties videos. I had 2 more that I could film. I might have to make it 3, but we'll see. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Try to get me back into the algorithm so that Facebook, so that YouTube will show my video to more people. Make sure to leave me a comment, and just even an emoji would be great. And I hope you guys are all well. She's like sleeping. So that's gonna be it. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.